Hello, 6th grade social studies students from across the DSST network. My name is Miss Mandler. I am the 6th grade social studies teacher at Conservatory Green, and I'm really excited to virtually work with all of you as we explore ancient China and the rich history behind it. If you are feeling uncertain about this whole online learning thing, that is okay because I am too. We're all learning together, and if you're already watching this video, that means you've taken the first step towards it. So great job. While you will see and hear me on your videos and online lessons, you will be working directly with your teachers. And there is going to be something that is called a social studies block on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 1:55 to 2:45. This is a time when your teachers are going to be available to answer any questions you might have or give you any feedback. However, this is not like a normal class in that you can complete your 3 weekly lessons at any point before Friday at 4 o'clock. Just make sure you get those in on time and don't wait until the last minute to complete them. In the next video, I'm going to be walking you through what a normal social studies lesson is going to look like. There will be the same 4 parts every day, so you're going to get used to it and really good at it. You'll notice also that most of my videos are going to be me sharing my screen with you, just like in the video you're about to watch. I would suggest making that half screen on your computer so that you can actually follow along with me and complete the steps as I complete them. If you miss something along the way, don't worry. Just be like a sponge and take it all in. And do not forget to reach out to your teachers for help. We're all here to help you. We're in this together and we've got this. Go DSST.